And coming all the way from down under, Nai has a question having to do with multiple attackers. So she wanted to know specifically, how would she be able to combat multiple attackers in Jujitsu? So we have two answers for you. The first one's quite a bit of fun and quite familiar to everyone in this class. So let's take a look at that one, shall we? So, I'm here and Jacobs has me in mount. But you know what? Then her dad, Yusef's also mounting me. And then John is also mounting me. And then Ethan. You gotta get on top, Ethan. What you doing? I can feel your nether regions. Get up there. And then Elisa.
Get on top of me.
And then Gabe.
Whoa.
What's up, y'all?
So once we have all the multiple attackers, then we create the Hawaiian Tower of Pizza. Jiu-Jitsu against multiple attackers.